Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about a perfume that I don't own yet, but it has been living in my head rent-free ever since I smelled it. It is Oolong Cha by Nishane, and if you love your fresh tea-based perfumes, you'll want to hear about this one. I recently smelled the Oolong Cha by Nishane perfume, and the first spritz of this perfume was super bright and super fresh. So it starts off with like a burst of bergamot, some mandarin and some orange, I believe, and it is almost photorealistic. Like you actually smell like freshly squeezed orange, and the droplets that come out of it, it almost feels like you're smelling that. And then it settles into a more oolong tea, calming, zen kind of a feeling, and it almost gives you like a calming, almost a luxurious spa day sense as the perfume evolves and grows on your skin. It is an absolute clean, fresh, bright smelling tea-based fragrance that I have ever smelled. I do have Gris Charnel Extrait, and it does have some like tea aspect in it, but I wouldn't say it is a tea-based perfume. You know what I mean? It's more of a tea note that comes through in the perfume as it grows on your skin. But this is a through and through tea-based fragrance. So it is clean, it's elegant, it is super cozy, it's bright, it's extremely luxurious smelling. It makes you feel like very rich and bougie, and I love that feeling personally. But if you ever want to smell like put together, fresh and just uplifting through the day, I think this is going to be that perfume. Like it makes you feel nice and fresh and cozy. It is nothing too dramatic. Everything in this perfume is very quiet and simple. It's almost like a quiet luxury kind of a perfume. It's not too sweet or it's not too spicy. It's not too anything. It's the simplicity of this perfume that makes it so beautiful and so wearable. So it's a perfect pick for the summer, especially because it's getting super hot and humid. This is a really good perfume to keep you fresh and feeling rejuvenated throughout the day. This is a very soft and crisp and clean fragrance, so you can almost imagine walking into a garden on a nice, fresh, lovely morning and a sunny day, with a cup of tea in your hand, and you're just feeling the breeze flow through, and you can smell whiffs of your citrus-based tea. This is exactly what the perfume smells like. There's a very interesting story, and that is when I realized that, okay, maybe I should buy this perfume. So I went to Lucky Scent. That is where I smelled this perfume. I just came across this perfume kept on a shelf, and I asked them if I can smell the perfume, and I sprayed it on my hand, and it smelled like really nice, really fresh, very like suitable for the summer. And I was like, wow, this smells really nice. And then we left the store and we were standing outside, and there was like wind blowing. My partner Nishant, he kept on smelling the perfume. He asked me like, what is that orangey smell, because he really loves oranges. So that's why he asked me, where is that smell coming from? And I was like, it's here, it's this perfume that I'm wearing. And it was in that moment that I realized that the perfume smells really good, and if he was able to smell it with that, with the whiffs of the wind that were coming through, this projects, like the perfume projects really well, because we were standing outside, and still if the perfume was projecting so that the people could smell the perfume, it was magical. So it was in that moment that I really got confused if I should buy it or not, because it is Nishane, it is a niche brand, it is like a little expensive. So anyway, I have been thinking a lot about buying this perfume. I don't know, based on the description of this perfume, or if you own this perfume, or if you have ever smelled this perfume, what do you think? What are your thoughts about Oolong Cha by Nishane? Do you like this perfume? If you haven't already bought it, would you invest in this fragrance? Should I buy this perfume? I'm just thinking, very confused. But I am going to make a decision very soon, and who knows, maybe I'll end up buying the perfume. Stay tuned to to know a little more about it. But if you have ever been in this perfume spiral, if you love your niche fragrances, if you love your calming tea vibes, but if you like your niche perfumes, if you have ever been in this perfume obsession spiral, then hit that like button, let's talk scent, and stay tuned to know more. I will see you next time. Until then, spread those good vibes and beautiful scents wherever you go.